Okay, it says for indoor fun, easy to assemble, and then it has a warning here, choking hazard, small parts not for children under 3. Well, thankfully we got kids that are 3 and 5. The parts included are a basketball backboard and net, 2 basketballs, 1 basketball pump, a hoop with a net, 4 ties, we will see what we can do. I didn't know they could pack so much stuff in a little box. This box is only, I don't know, you can see it, it's about the size of the coffee table there. As far as height, and it's only, what, 1.5 to 2 feet wide. Anyway, let's see what we can do. Okay, see, the hoop can't go into place until you get the rest of everything in place. It has to have a good foundation. See, look, right here, this is the foundation to where the hoop can be in place. Are you looking? So we gotta build this first. Can you build with me?
Yep, I sure can.
Okay, good. Whoa.
Just wake up!
We gotta build this first.
Yep, I sure can help you with that.
Okay. Connector. Wrong way. Wrong way. Wrong way. No, it's not. You have to have a pole going right here. How are you going to do that with that way? Turn it this way.
Where's the other battery?
It should be in the battery case. Okay, now we need to stop for a minute. We're going to take a break. Abigail, we're taking a break. But you can put this right here.
Connect.
Okay, now stay there.
I'm staying right here.
Okay, Abigail, not yet. Okay.
We're taking a break, Mother.
Look out at the snow.
I don't want to. I just like looking at our foundation.
Right.
Yeah.
Until time for that.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, Let's take a break and look outside at the snow.
And Daddy? Look at the sun.
Yes, there's 2 of them that are flat.
All of them are flat too.
Yeah.
All of them are
Okay,
flat.
let's pump them up. Okay, Abigail, move.
I'm pumped up.
Not quite.
I can do this. That one's mine. That one. You can share this.
Do that again. Ooh, almost.
Whoa. I got it.
Whoa.
Whoa. Thank you.
You're welcome. Go. Ah,
Whoa.
you're close. Keep on doing it. Oh, there you go.
I want you to see me. Wow, I can do it.
Oh, we'll do it with the other one. Whoa.
Whoa, 2 of them. Whoa, 2.
Yeah. Way to go.
I got it.
Yeah, you did.
And one more to pump up.
Okay. Here, let me show you what Abigail is doing. She's doing this.
I just have to throw it. Wow, wow, wow. I got it.
Yay! Good job.